Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file in preview so you can act immediately. Once the document is visible, make sure thumbnails are shown to jump between pages quickly. You should also enable the inspector when you need file info. Next, decide whether you'll edit, annotate, or export. That choice determines the tools you'll use. From here, select the markup or selection tool and position the view where you want to begin working. You'll perform the core edits now. Add highlights, draw shapes, and insert text. Use the markup toolbar. Choose highlighter, pen, or shape depending on the change. Once done, set colors and line weight so annotations are consistent across pages. Make sure to use the selection and crop tools to remove unwanted margins and drag thumbnails to reorder pages. If you need to sign, create a signature once and reuse it throughout the document for speed. You finish by exporting and saving with intent. Use export to choose format, resolution, or reduce size before sharing. Save changes with Command S, or use duplicate to keep an untouched original and edit the copy. Once done, verify annotations and text selection remain intact by reopening the saved file. If something goes wrong, reopen the markup toolbar and confirm annotations are visible, then resave. This fixes most issues. Finally, close preview after confirming file integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.